Ethereum is crushing the markets, and if you're invested into cryptocurrency, you most likely already know about the news. But if you've not, just watch to the end of the video, and you can understand why Ethereum is destroying the entire crypto market. So, firstly, we have to talk about the DEPEG that's happening for STETH and Ethereum. So, for STETH, basically, it's a staked Ethereum. For people who do not know how staking Ethereum works, you need to actually be a proper validator with at least 32 Ethereum. And of course, 32 Ethereum at its all-time high is going to be a lot of money. So, of course, people actually go towards STETH, where they can stake Ethereum on multiple exchanges. For STETH, is basically held by two different exchanges, one being Lido Finance and also the next one being Celsius. So that's how you can actually stake Ethereum without having 32 Ethereum being a proper validator. So, of course, with how STETH works, STETH actually works as a collateral, similar to what Terra Luna actually happened. Okay, and of course, if you actually bring up historically with what happened with Terra Luna, people are now thinking that this is becoming more and more risky. So, of course, there was a huge fund that basically dumped 50,000 STETH into the Ethereum because they saw that the risk for the DeFi attacks after the whole Terra Luna situation, they realized that the risk is way too high. So the way that they actually do it is the model for them to actually stake the Ethereum into Lido Finance. So of course that happened, and then they actually went through a DPEG. So for people who do not know, earlier, I think 2 days ago or 3 days ago, the ratio for the Ethereum to STETH is about 1 to 0.998 or something along that line. You're not going to be that far off. People who actually do the trading for it basically are trading for arbitrage. Okay, they are basically those who are just trading at high volume, looking for very, very low margin of profit and hoping to make some money in between, the arbitrage trader. Okay, so of course, when that actually DPEG down to 1 to 0.94, if I'm not mistaken, okay, that actually happened with Luna at one point of time. And right now, of course, with it still being clear in a lot of people's mind, especially all the crypto hodlers, there become selling pressure. And of course, we also receive news that Celsius is going to be stopping all withdrawal for their STETH. And that's going to be creating even more panic in the market as well. And of course, with how panic and selling pressure usually works, when you add them both together, it's going to create more panic and more selling pressure. So, of course, everyone realized what happened with Terra Luna, and this is one of the reasons why they have to get out. And of course, people were very, very worried. At the start of the day, right now it's about 7:30 p.m. Okay. At the start of the day, before I left for work in the morning, I saw that Ethereum was about 1,600 USD per Ethereum. Right now, it's dropping all the way to 1180. Okay, $1,180. It's dropping pretty quickly. And of course, if you look at Bitcoin prices as well, Bitcoin prices is actually down all the way to 23,000, 23.6K at the moment as of this recording. So, of course, this is causing a lot of selling pressure in the entirety of the crypto market. And of course, I'm not going to be covering those altcoins because those are definitely going to be destroyed even harder. I'm not even going to be looking into my crypto accounts on those multiple exchanges that I do have my account on, simply because I don't want to get a heart attack. Okay? And of course, I have always advocated for the fact that you should not have more than 15% of your entire investment portfolio into cryptocurrency, simply because cryptocurrency is a very, very volatile asset, and you should definitely invest safely. But of course, today, we're not talking about safe investing, because let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about fast money. Let's talk about the Lambo money or the food stamps. Of course, with what Ethereum actually happened, just recently, we had the merge. And for people who are unaware of what the merge is, it's basically an upgrade for the entire blockchain of Ethereum. And of course, this upgrade, like the name, the upgrade, is supposed to actually make Ethereum a better blockchain. So of course, I'm no professional, nor am I any sort of expert to be able to summarize the entire blockchain upgrade in less than 10 minutes for you guys. So I'm just going to let some other expert do that for me. Okay, but anyway, in summary, what this upgrade actually allows is for the entire Ethereum blockchain to be more efficient, to handle more transactions and at a faster pace. overall a very, very good thing. Okay, but due to this huge upgrade, this thing that we have all been waiting for a very, very long time, people decided to sell on the news. So I'm pretty sure that we're all aware of a buy the rumor and sell the news. This has been ongoing since the start of time. Okay, and there's so many different type of buy the rumor, sell the news, and this is simply just one of them. And of course, people are getting out at the same time selling the news, creating even more selling pressure behind the whole STETH depegging as well. So with all this selling pressure coming in all at one shot, okay, it's definitely going to be creating a lot of panic sellers. People who do not believe in Web3 as strongly as the next person. Okay, those people are the one who probably bought Ethereum at $3,000 or $3,500. Those people probably bought into Ethereum thinking that Ethereum is going to go to $8,000, $10,000. And of course, I'm no different. I did think that Ethereum is going to go to $10,000 by the end of the year. And of course, clearly I was a fool to think that Ethereum could have continued with the straight gusto to go all the way to $10,000. But, clearly we got our rights and we got our wrongs. And I'll admit to my mistake right now that Ethereum most likely will not be heading towards $10,000 by the end of the year. But of course, I'm free to be proven wrongly because, if Ethereum do want to go towards $10,000 again, I'm all ears because I am still going to be holding on to my Ethereum. Of course, I do not have that big of a portfolio around my Ethereum. Of course, like I said before, I'm not going to allow my entire crypto portfolio to be more than 15% of my entire portfolio. But anyway, due to the whole depegging happening, and of course with the selling pressure that's happening with Ethereum as well, this is going to be causing a lot of mayhem in the crypto market. But of course, the stocks market is not all rainbows as well, because right now in the stocks market, Dow Jones basically just reported dropping 600 points before the market even opened. The SPY, which is the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, important indexes are down almost 3% before the market even opened. Right now, we're in a hyper-inflated economy. And of course, with cheap money is becoming less and less dispensable because money is becoming so cheap that it's not meant to be fiat. Of course, people are not going to be escaping to cryptocurrency at these kind of times, but they should be. Of course, I do believe in Web3 a lot, but I don't believe in Web3 enough for me to put too much of my money into Web3 blindly. And I've said to a few of my friends and a few of my audiences as well, that you don't have to rush to buy the dip. Because in this market, dips are in no way lacking any shape or form. We are definitely going to have a lot of opportunity for us to buy back into this market. It'll be best if you have more cash. But firstly, the most important thing is to get out of leverage, get out of margin. These are the important things because the margin and the leverage is going to kill you. Okay? If you're in stocks, you're in crypto, and you're using leverage, get out because this market is not going to spare anyone. People are expecting this to be not just a recession, but a depression. One that's going to be even bigger than what happened back in the 2008 financial crisis. So, of course, sit tight, and I hope that you guys still invest safe. But, maybe not panic sell. And let's just see how this actually goes on. But, of course, if those people who are in crypto, and you're still 100% in crypto, just diversify a little bit. Look through some of the videos, or just drop me a comment down below, and maybe we can see what are the other options that we can actually explore. But anyway, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.